What's up people, I am here to teach you choreography on the song Nayan. I'm already sure you have watched the video, right? If you haven't, then the link is given up and also in the description box so that you can compare your steps on the song. So let's begin. So we start with our choreography with our position 2. I'll show you on the lyrics, like I'll tell you on the lyrics so that it will be helpful for you to learn. First you have to go up before the lyric starts and it goes side, turn. So the lyrics are, the word is Meri and you have to turn on the lyrics na. Meri na. Down, the elbow should be up and you are holding your ear. Down, your left leg is fold. You will go up on your right side only and you have to turn forward. So there are 3 steps. These are super fast. It goes Meri na su ne ye. So it is Meri na su ne ye. You finished here. You have to roll your chest part first to your right side, then to your left and then inside. So you have to start by hitting yourself on the right side. It goes roll, step. Again, so we finished our step over here. Sune na dil. You finished here. Then you have to take your knees inside, 1 and 2. You finish your posture over here, your right leg is bent and left leg is straight. So the handwork goes, you have to go down, turn. First your hand is facing left side, then to your right side. Let's revise from the start. 5, 6, 7. Go. Meri na sune ye dil mera. So you finished here. You just have to turn your leg and your hand inside on the blank music. So there's a blank music. There's nothing over there. You finished here. You just have to turn. Take your left leg inside and point. You have to bend yourself down, your legs are straight, point and turn. So it is a very quick step. You finished this. 1 and left, right. First your right hand, then hold your wrist. That's it, till you. From the start, 5, 6, 7. Go. Meri na sune ye dil mera. Turn. Tere piche pagal. And you just have to roll your wrist and you have to just go down. 1, 2, 3. There's no particular step, that you just have to go downwards. With the step, pagal hai. On the pagal word, you just have to go down, and on the next word, you have to turn, and your right hand is straight. Again from the start, 5, 6, 7. Go. Meri na sune ye dil mera. Turn. Tere piche pagal hai. So you finished your step here. You have to just wave, take a wave. There's a flute music. On that music you have to take a wave. First your hand, chest and leg. You just have to take your knee outside, left leg knee. 5, 6, 7. Go. Wave, step. You can do your own freestyle, you can do your own wave. You just have to take a wave of your body. You can do any. Easy. So you finished here from here. 5, 6, 7. Go. Tere पीछे पागल है टनना and from here you have to go behind slow, very slow, and you just have to take a jerk in the end. 5, 6, 7, go. Roke. You just have to, you are bending over here, you have to go up, up and take a break. From here, take a fast circle that goes 1 and 2. There is just a circle. You finished roke, na ruke, ye. Now hit forward and go up, 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 and also bend to your left side. So it is roke na ruke ye dil mera. On the word mera you have to come inside. Dil mera. Then when you finish here, hold for a second. There's a blank music again. After that you have to take 3 steps on the place only. So it is right, left, right. On the same place you have to take 3 steps. You finished. Pagal hai tanana roke na ruke ye dil mera, and step. So it goes right, left, right, right hand, left hand. With that you have to turn your leg 1 and halchal hai step, wave teri. Again. So you finished here, wave step, roke na ruke ye dil mera, te जाने कैसी हलचल है, and take a wave up and hit. So there's a loud beat. On the beat you just have to hit. Before that the next lyrics will begin. So you finished here, teri. So you will place your left hand over here and you just have to hit forward, then right hand hit forward. With that you have to go behind with your knees open. That goes sa so me tu. So there are 3 steps going behind. First with your left hand, 1 and 2, and again your hands will go behind with a wave and your right leg will go behind. Wave. Easy? So it goes teri saason mein tu. Now you just have to take a and step, jump and go right, left. You have to walk and your hands are here. They're just going down on your waist. With that, you just have to walk with your right leg first, then your left leg. You finished this. 5, 6, 7, go. Ehsaason mein. Kick with your right leg and jump. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, go. Teri saason mein step and ehsaason mein tu. Then point. After the two lyrics, you have to point. Then you have to twist your legs. First left, right, left, right. With that, your hand goes swing to your left shoulder, then your right shoulder, then west, left side, then right side. So it is fast. Your left hand is pointing forward, then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and you take your neck up, your chin up, and cross your hand and go down. Again from here, 5, 6, 7, go. Saason mein tu, ehsaason mein tu, meri हर हंसी में step and down, बस तू. So you'd have to roll your pelvis twice. It goes roll, roll, go behind, left, right, and jump. So we've finished our first stanza over here. We start with the main signature steps. You finished here. Your right hand goes back, back, reverse, change left hand, back, back, reverse. With the leg, you have to tap your left leg twice. 1, 2, reverse, leg join. 1, 2, reverse. Again. So it goes, नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जा रे. You finished this. Take your left hand down. You lift your left knee. You have to open it again. Left, right, left, right. So footwork is the same, just we'll change the handwork. So you have to hit your left leg, right, then up, up. So your elbow is downwards and you have to go this way. Again, from here. नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जा रे, तमने जोया छे. Step and. So we finish the step here. You have to hit your left shoulder, left, and jump step. So you have to jump on your right side and go hit again reverse. Again 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and 2. Again hit. Now you don't have to jump to your right, but on your both legs. Again. From here, 5, 6, 7, go. नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जा रे, तमने जोया छे. नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जा रे. So this is the step. Then your right hand goes, you have to hit your pelvis, back side, left, right, left, right. With that, just a casual handwork, you have to point forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take your left leg forward and open your knees with your hands. Again back. Take your right leg back, open your knees and place. So the step is open, place, and go to your right side with your hands on your ear, right ear, then to your left, then open. Easy? Let's revise it again on counts. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hit, jump, hit, open. 1, 2, 3, 4, open, place, right, left, hit. So you finished here. The last step of the signature steps. You finished this. Just tap. You have to turn and tap your left leg. You finished here. 5, 6, 7. Go 1 and inside, 1 and down. Again. So it is tap behind. While taking your right leg behind, your hand goes up and step. So your hand is up only, it does not go down. So you finished here, you have to take wave and wave. You don't have to lift your leg while taking a wave, you just have to go on your toes. That goes left toe, right toe. So here we finished with our signature steps. Now we start with the next stanza. You finished wave, take a jump and beat. So there are 2 beats. On the first beat you have to take a jump and go on your toes, and on the second beat you just have to tap your heels down. So you finished this. Now comes the solo part. If you are doing with your partner, you can divide your parts, or else you can do the both part individually. So It goes, take your right hand, twist it and hit your right shoulder up. And with that you just have to slide on your left. 1, take your hand up, left hand up, down on your eyes. After that, your hand is behind, roll your right side, left side, hold your hand and go up, down, turn and wave. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. सभी पढ़ चुके हैं step, चेहरा मेरा. Again, 5, 6, you finished 1 step, 5, 6, 7, go. सभी पढ़ चुके हैं चेहरा मेरा. Then you go right leg cross, left leg cross, right, right. While crossing you just have to bounce, 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 step, step. So the lyrics are चेहरा मेरा तू ही है लिखा. Point. So you're finished. We finished our first solo part. Now there is just some music. You can just turn around and go to your place. So go down. The second solo is over here. It goes 1, 2, 3 step, come up, hit and step, left, right and forward. So you finished here your second part. Again you go forward and step. So here we finished our both solo part. Let's go on the main lyrics of this second para. You take your left leg forward, open your hands, go down and up. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Sabhi pad. You finished up. With that, after this you have to do a dipping on your right leg, jump and jump. When you jump, take your left leg up. With that, your hand goes cross, open. It goes cross, open and kick your right leg with your hands here, go down and up. Again we revise it from here. 5, 6, 7, go. सभी पढ़ चुके हैं ये चेहरा up. So when the मेरा lyrics comes, your right hand goes up and left hand is down. Hit, hit. On the second hit, you have to join your right leg. So it goes, सभी पढ़ चुके हैं ये चेहरा मेरा. In. Then you do the twist step that goes heel, toe, heel, jump. On the fourth count, you have to jump. You don't have to twist. With that, your hand goes open and down. 5, 6, 7. Go heel, toe, heel, jump. Now take your hands up. Left leg behind, jump. Again, right leg behind, jump. So this step is, firstly on the footwork, your left leg is up, it goes left, right, jump on your left leg, then it goes right, left, jump on your right leg. With that, the handwork goes right shoulder, roll in, then your left shoulder, sorry, your right shoulder only, roll in. Let's try. You finished here. 1 and 2 and roll, place, roll, place. Now, you have to jump forward. You take your leg up and jump forward. Now, you finished here. Now the male lyrics will begin and each male lyrics we have 2 beats. We have to catch 2 beats. So it goes, Zindagi the Meri word, we have 2 beats. It goes, you have to just wave, take your left leg behind with your hands up and lift your right leg, drop your neck and hands are behind. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Zindagi Meri. Now take your right hand up, turn and slide your hands up with your right leg inside. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Zindagi Meri tu Shayari. Again on the Meri lyrics, we have 2 beats. That goes, you have to hit your pelvis left, then right. With your right hand up, then your left hand up. Now you just slide your hand down and look forward with your left leg bent. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Zindagi Meri tu Shayari, Meri tu Aashiki hai Meri. There's a 2 beat. It goes tap and jump. Tap your right leg, twist your right leg. So there comes an awkward position, but 1, twist, place. Again, 5, 6. There's only some of the part remaining. Let's do it quickly. 5, 6, 7, go. Zindagi Meri tu Aashiki mein. Sorry, there's a shairi word. Sorry. It goes, Zindagi Meri tu Shayari, Meri tu Aashiki mein hai tu Meri bas. Now you finish this. You just have to tap right, left, right and left. On the left step, means on the 4th count, you have to turn yourself to your left side. With that, handwork goes roll, roll, roll and slide. Let's try with the footwork. 5, 6, 7, go. To turn. So we finished at turn. Now there comes again the flute music which we have catched previously on this step, but the step is different now. You finish your step here, your hand comes down, take your right leg behind, roll your pelvis first. So there are 4 breaks. First part is take your right leg behind, second part is roll your pelvis half. Then when you finish your half pelvis, roll your chest, roll and again roll, hit. So there comes the 4th part. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. When you hit down, when you finish your 4th part, you just have to look to your right side. Then goes your hand up and look. So the lyrics are Nayan Re. So when you finish this step, there is a fast music. You don't have to do anything in that. You just have to hold over here. So there is a pause. Now when the music ends, there are 3 beats. So we have to catch 3 beats. Your hand are behind. Take your right leg behind and lift your left. So this is your first beat. 5, 6, 7, go. First, second, place your left leg behind and your hands are up. And the third beat is turn and your right hand is up. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. So when you finish this step, we have to do the same step which they have did in the album. So the step is your right leg will come inside, slide up, take your left hand up, then right side, hand is this way, left side you hold your shoulder and you have to jump with your left leg behind. So it is just, you just have to go with the expression, that is, I didn't do that. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Jump. When you finish the jump, point on your right side, even look at it, and forward. You just have to do cross and hold. Then lift your left leg, right leg. Again we have to repeat the same step. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this we did twice. Now we have to repeat the steps which we did in the first stanza. That goes open, place, open, place. Now we don't have to do this step. So the step will be 1 and step, step. So the lyrics are tamne joya chhe step. Now this will connect from here. It is नैन ने बंध राखी ने में ज्यारे तमने जोया. So we finished at this step. There will come again 3 beats. You have to catch those 3 beats. If you are doing with your partner, you can do jump, clap each other and say bye and just take an exit. If you are doing alone, if there is only you, you can do jump, clap and bye and you can exit. Let's do the quick revision from the start. We finished our choreography over here. Till here we'll try. 5, position 2, 5, 6, 7, go. मेरी ना सुने ये दिल मेरा, टर्न, तेरे पीछे पागल है, टनना, रोके ना रुके ये दिल मेरा, जाने कैसी हलचल है, एंड वेव मेरी सांसों में तू, एहसासों में तू, हर हंसी में मेरी बस तू. Step, step, open, then नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जारे तमने जोया छे. Open, बंद राखी ने में जारे तमने जोया छे. Change 1 and 2 and right, left, ख्यालों में नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जारे तमने जोया. Step, beat. Now comes the solo part. It goes. सभी पढ़ चुके हैं ये चेहरा मेरा, तू ही है लिखा, ता-ना-ना-ना. Second part. जो जाहिर है सब पे वो, एंड स्टेप, वो यारा तुझे कैसे ना दिखा, टर्न, होल्ड. नाउ कम्स द पार्ट, मेन पार्ट. टेक योर लेफ्ट लेग फॉरवर्ड. सभी पढ़ चुके हैं ये चेहरा मेरा, इन जो तू है लिखा, एंड स्टेप एंड जंप. नेक्स्ट मेन लिरिक्स. जिंदगी मेरी तू, शायरी मेरी तू, आशिकी है मेरी बस तू. टर्न, टर्न न न न, नयन रे. Hold here, then the 3 counts are 1, 2. नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जारे तमने जोया छे, नयन ने बंद राखी ने में जारे तमने जोया छे. Change 1 and open, place, तमने जोया छे, नैन ने बंद राखी ने में जारे तमने जोया. Jump and place. So here we exit. Here we finish our Nayan dance choreography, If you are very confident about these steps, shoot your own video, upload it on Instagram, tag us over there, and we'll surely check out your video. And also we are coming out with many more tutorials. You keep learning and keep supporting us. Bye bye.